Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Ngiyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Ngiyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino iqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sikolo saka Jesu.
Una mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. What's a bummer that I'm tired?
No, that you still have to go around and look for other people.
No, I'm done. I'm done. I'm going home.
So let's say tola manje couple yogcina.
Hopefully.
You don't want to look for another.
Ndidikiwe.
Usheshe wadinga sana.
What do you mean?
The more siwathola ama couple, the more resting days you get.
No, guys, I can't do this.
Because I guess we have other things to do.
Like what?
Why ufuna yonke into yethu siyikhulume ebantwini? Why yonke into?
Itona yethu zabini.
It seems like mina now akunanto a private manje.
Itona yethu. Itona yethu. Ka explain it.
Lily. Okay, uthe siyaphi masuka mashayisa.
I'm going home.
But that's not what you said.
When
You said we.
I'm going home. Can't do we?
No, Lisa, we tell we going home.
I didn't.
Uzowakhuluma ngendaba le.
Netflix. Umna.
Hayi ngabomthembu.
Guys, you know Dlamini is lying, right? Hi, guys. How are you? I'm good. I go around asking couples questions. Would you guys mind? Just a little couples quiz, Nyana. I don't know who she does. I don't think she knows me.
Mara wena o rata mpetha ka di surprise.
Why not? Just 5 seconds.
5 seconds ake.
Minutes.
Wa bona ke re bjalo nna lo nna ka kwa.
5 minutes. Okay, let's agree to 5 minutes.
3
4
minutes sis.
4 minutes. Okay, come closer.
Ya ka pelo bane.
Come closer. Stand on my right, Lovey. Okay. Name?
Lo wa emela ko.
Kaloku, I want to be in between you guys.
Oh.
Yeah. Name, girl?
Ayabonga.
Ayabonga and?
Ke ka monna.
Kamo?
Pizza ka mashoto.
Mashoto.
Eh.
Must I call you Mashoto?
Ka no mpitsa mashoto. It's fine.
Mashoto, how long have you been with you? Did you say Ayabonga?
Yes.
How long have you been with you?
1 year 4 months.
1 year 4 months. I don't like that smile.
Wa itse.
It's been a good 1 year 4 months.
Wa itse kore lwena no bona lwena or mo ke yona straight.
Yes.
Ke dilo tsa ka se.
Zinto zakho. You like nice things and nice things like you.
A ja o botsa. O bona no bua na ke berekela tsona dilo tseo ska we bona lwena. Ke flower ya Protea gland. Ya ke ro e bona.
I hear you.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, Aya.
Yeah.
Where did you meet Mashoto? Hey, Kumandi Clery. Okay.
A town, nje.
A town.
Yes.
What did he say when he approached you? 1 year, 4 months ago.
Why you?
What's he like?
What kind of a question is that? No.
Akshela njani?
Ay, abafana. Namagama wabo. Yeah. Njalo.
The pickup line is straight.
Yasin.
Nawe wa pick up.
Yeah. Izinto ezinjalo.
Uh-huh. Okay, what is it that you like about him?
He's honest. Yeah, respect. Yeah. He's a loving person, man.
Okay. Okay. Kuthiwa you're a loving person.
A ke re wa e call wena sis.
But are you trustworthy?
Nah.
When?
For sure.
So in the 1 year 4 months that you guys have been together, awukenzi into edodgy.
Nix.
Okay. Aya, do you trust him?
I trust him.
Ke motho wa ka tlametsa ntsha.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10?
8.
8.
Yeah.
Okay. When I'm nigga for disappointment. She must leave room for disappointment, hangit.
Oh, okay. Nna ke mone a 9 motho wa ka.
9.
Eh.
You see, now you're leaving one for disappointment.
One le ena wa itse re.
Exactly. Okay, guys, let me get straight to the point. Now, what we do on this show, we basically make couples switch phones, okay? So you guys switch phones, and then you guys go through each other's WhatsApps. Okay.
Emope. Nna le wena.
I said no problem. You and her. Why would you go through my phone? A stranger.
A ona bothata. Nna ne ke nyaka go tlhaloganya fela hore
Okay.
re bolela ka eng go bona specification re e ke shebana le ena
Okay.
wa e bona.
Okay.
Mara
You're confused, why?
Exactly.
mara ha ra na bothata le nna ke na bothata ge.
Oh, okay. I get company phones, guys. Please, love, will start with yours, ne? Can you just open it for me? But I need it out.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Ke ne a ena hore
I'll take it. Oh, sorry, love. Please open again. Oh, sorry, my skirt. Here, Lams.
Lanong manking la.
Kaloku, we don't want you to think you delete. Izinto. Okay, go to our WhatsApp, ne? Okay.
Yeah.
Type love you.
Love you. Mara motho wa ke motse.
Kaloku, but we want to see if you're the only one she says it to.
Love you.
Mara o tlhaela nna fela mo se ise ka ke a bona le nna o bona ebile ke kgothala ebile wa bona le.
Nothing dodgy.
Ke ntsha le smile sele so sa senya.
You're doing too much, Bashot.
Eish.
So what if you find something else? Delete. Okay, type miss you.
Oh,
That's you, Mos, again.
ke nna ke sa te bona. Ke a nyala.
Bashot, relax. Delete.
Okay.
Type outside.
Outside.
Yeah, we're checking who fetches her.
Ke nna ke message ya today vele e wa bona. Yeah, e tshwenye o tlhaela nna fela mo.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, delete that. Type babe.
Babe. Le no bia na se sia ka
Nothing, ne?
phasami.
Delete.
Nna ke le wa.
Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors.
Okay. Thank you. Ke se siage fela ebile ke a mo itse se siage.
Yeah, mas, okay.
Yeah, mo itse se.
Okay, delete that. Type last night.
Last night. Wa se sia ke re yaneng.
Sana lwam.
Ya o tlhagela nna ke re ba.
Still.
Bo di last night ya ke re.
Sis, money machine. Delete. Type pregnant.
Pregnant. Was is mu
Never know.
how pregnant.
You'll never get anything.
Ke metha o bona dilo tse tsa bo di metha bo di what ebile ne ke mbuditse ra search mo weke ya sa no tho asisiaka
Okay.
sa what
Delete. Type morning after pill.
Morning after pill.
Mm-hmm.
Dilo tse di dintsi man.
That's second last.
Okay. What's it?
Clean.
Clean.
Okay, type test. That's the last one.
Test.
There's nothing there.
Hey, girl, we can see there's nothing.
Test to Thailand na le
She passed the test.
Hey, we passed that.
Nikki phone yakhe.
Oh. Re feditsa ke?
Yes.
Oh,
Open yours, go kuma short. It's your turn.
Oh, O ke aka Nubia.
Yes.
Ke ne ena phone.
Lula phone. Yeah.
Come closer.
Ta ban chula le.
You come closer, love. You just stand on the grass. Your password.
Ish.
Hey, fihla ntoni son?
Ah.
Okay, what's up? Okay, type love you.
Ah, batang.
Space.
How? Oh, it's just me and her sister, okay?
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type miss you.
No, that's happy.
That's just
Miss
lokuhlabuni.
you. Okay, still me
Yeah, still
and her
plain.
sister, okay?
Okay, delete that. You are littering, don't litter. Okay, type babe.
Okay, it's me, top, okay? But I don't know this lady. Who's Palisa?
Who's Balis?
Ke mang Palisa?
Palesa?
Ke mang Palisa?
Eh, ke tlhakana le batho ba bantsi man.
Go into the chat.
Tlhaking boy.
Space. Kopa o tlowe mo. Kopa o tlowe.
We need to understand bang who.
You failed to answer my question ukuthi ubani Palisa. Khona manje so busy la efonini. And I see Abo love you.
Oh.
I enjoyed. What's going on here? Ang understanding.
Let's Palesa ke man.
Bekumnandi izolo. I mean, what the fuck yini?
Sibona izinto ah.
My love Tilecha.
No, don't say my love. Ungangibizi my love.
Phone Dlamini.
Ungalinge ungibize my love.
Let's call
So
her.
yesterday yo bawunopalisa izolo uthi ngize namhlanje bawunopalisa izolo. Who's Palisa?
Na dilo
Ke mang Palisa? Ke mang
Na
Palisa?
dilo totsi ya
Ubani
butsage.
Palisa?
Ke Palesa le ke bereka le yena ke re go budise le wena mara.
Kamu. Simfonele simbuza ukuthi uvele usebenza naye.
Mara a ke bone le
Simfonele na
Mara,
simbuza ukuthi
se
uvele.
sia kwa bona dilo tse di yang bjano.
So awuzophendula bang bani Balis?
Ke re ke a phendula wa mbona o di yang a ke re le nna ke sa kwa ro
Who's Palisa? Ungizongitshela into ngitshela yona. Ubani uPalisa?
Hi, ngicela uPalisa.
Hi, kunjani?
I'm good. How are you?
Ngiyaphila.
I've asked if she knows Mashoto.
Hello.
Hi, kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani Palisa?
Ngiyaphila nami.
Ukhuluma noAyabonga.
Ayabonga from?
It doesn't matter. Ukhuluma noAyabonga. Do you know uKamu?
Anyeke ayabonga. Asicale ekuqaleni. Anyeke wena ungazi and then mina mangithi ayabonga from uthi it doesn't matter. It does matter.
Hello girl. Alright. Alright.
Right, but manje angise.
Do you know Kamu?
Ngiyamazi bami.
Yini uKamu kusebenza naye o umazi kanjani uKamu?
Ngiphendula. Before ngiphendula ukuthi ubani uKamo, wena ubani from where?
I've just told you ukuthi ngu-Ayabonga.
Maka ungiphendulanga ukuthi
I'm his girlfriend.
uyangazi.
Okay, I'm his girlfriend.
Angikuzwa?
Ngiyitombi yakhe.
Oh, intombi yakhe.
Mm.
Ebuphi ele from when? Cause yimi main character.
Since from when?
Mina ngazi kuyimi intombi yakhe, so wena intombi yakhe yakuphi?
Okay, ngicela ukubuza, how many years or months have you been together?
Hayi so personal. Sesibala neminyaka.
No, ngiyabuza ngifuna ukwazi sisi wami.
Long enough nokuthi nawe ungazi. Anithi ubele wangi-approach wathi Palisa, kusho ukuthi long enough.
Yeah, umzili, uyawuzwa? Palisa.
Yafuna uthatha nentombi yakho.
Uyawuzwa uPalisa? Nayi thatha, khuluma nentombi yakho. Thatha.
Palesa.
Hello Skado.
Palesa. Ash.
Yeah.
Kan o di dilo tse di bjana kan. Kan
Umuntu osebenza naye loyo Skado. Emsebenzini ngicela ukubuza umsebenzi omuphi lo la khona nibizana ukuthi Skado. Skado.
Mm.
Wow. Wow. Let's back him. Let's.
Sesi wa
Not
bona
my
dilo
fault.
tse yang.
Let's
Sesi kwena
back him.
Kopa re bolele pele kopa re
Khuluma noSkado.
ema pele ke mantingelane le na ton tshwara
Calm,
ema pele ha boe tlo sesi
It's not my fault.
wena o di yang dilo tse kopa o bolele le yena
Kaloku uyatshintsha uyafeba.
Ubulele yena.
Kanti ndifeba.
ke rompona hore ke a tsheya ke
Khanda ukuthume.
ke rompona ke a tsheya
Khanda ukuthume.
sesi no bjana ke no tsheya le dilo tse ke tsone dilo tse ne ke sa dinyake mo di thomileng teng mo ke tsone dilo tse ne ke sa dinyake mo di thomileng
I'm sorry.
teng gona bjanong o fetsa lenyalo la ka
I'm sorry.
feletsa lenyalo
You know, nigga, you 12 years old. Come chat.
mantšhengelane a kontesela a konte sesi ke calme down o sampotsa ka sekgowa se ke sa se itseng ke calme down ke roba lefatshe ke die bjang a sa
Leave him,
ntheletse
Sammy.
a sa ai wena sesi dilo tse o di dirang wena
He's literally 12 years old. What does it mean, fucking marriage? What fucking marriage are you talking about? What does he mean?
Waziri wakumshada. Nathi singashadi. Nazodlala ngomshado. Ngabantu abashadile.
Opinda.
Did you know uphinde ushadile?
I know. Uputhatha last year upinda.
Ngabantu wangasifema futhi.
How's marriage upinda? Is marriage nice? You ndio yika mna guys sana.
Uyoyika kodwa uyawufuna.
I don't know. I'm very neutral. I'm moody. I'm a lot. I'm not a difficult person, but I'm a very difficult girlfriend. I'm a very difficult girlfriend.
Nami so
So I can't imagine being a wife.
you can't imagine being a wife but when uthe ufuna ukuchata kuqala.
It's not that ndiyafuna. I said I will have kids if I get married, but if I don't get married by a certain age, then I'll just have kids on my own without a baby daddy.
Ngumxhosa nyana.
Is that a Xhosa thing? Really?
Ngumxhosa.
That's not a Xhosa thing.
Ushintsha statement usenza kanje.
I didn't change the statement. I mean, I'm saying the same thing. What did I say?
You're not saying the same thing.
What did I say before?
Besikuphi?
I remember where we were.
Yeah, uthe ufuna ukuchata kuqala.
Yes.
Yes.
Before having kids.
Yes.
Then if I don't get married at a certain age, I'll have kids on my own.
But
How did I change the statement?
indaba ithi uthe ndifuna ukuchata kuqala. Manje sowuthini?
No, wait. To have kids, ndifuna ukuchata kuqala. But marriage on its own, I don't want it that much. I'm neutral.
Leyo ungayi-explainanga.
Oh,
Explain.
but I'm not saying something. It's not different though.
It is. Totally. Okay.
Guys, it's not. Comment down below in the comment section. I'm not saying something different.
It's totally.
I said to have kids, ndifuna ukuchata.
Ehe.
But the marriage on its own, I'm in between. Yes.
Asifani lezo zinto.
But kaloku down there we spoke about wanting kids after marriage only. There the topic was kids. It was not marriage. Now the topic is marriage.
Awuyi nyani.
Dlamini, shut up.
Amanyani.
Dlamini, let's close the show.
Oh. Let's close.
I don't lie like you, Dlamini.
Me, I don't lie.
Yes, you do.
Me.
You lie all the
I
time
am not a liar.
to the audience.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
They know. Have I ever lied?
Yes, you lie.
Never. I've never.
You lie all the time.
Never.
You lie all the time.
Never.
We're closing the show.
Okay.
All right, CMTV viewers, that is an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and follow me on Facebook, Lisa Serame.
Instagram, welcome _Dlamini88. On TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini. Facebook, welcome Dlamini. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ingane zakwethu. Ngiyabonga. Hey, ngiyabonga umlungu ukuthi aqashe uLisa. Sebenze naye.
I'm leaving soon.
Uyazi.
Huh?
Uyazi.
I just want to chill at home. I don't want to work.
Angeke. Ngeke.
I'm tired of working. My back is already sore.
Le back solving. So let's not talk about it. After lana vele so dila ngayo.
Okay, but I'll probably be on CMTV until end of March. But I'm leaving though.
Yazi Lisa ungafuni ukuyiqhatha nama viewers wethu. Cela. Yabona the way abantu abangithanda kakhona because of Lisa.
No, they don't
don't like it because of me, they like it because of you.
Oh, but Dlamini ulisa uphi? Ulisa every time.
You like to buy face, no?
Ulisa, but Dlamini, you have to do something, Ulisa.
You like
You
to
guys
buy face.
niyafanelana.
You like to buy face.
Akusuthi I'm buying face. Lisa sifanelani mina nawe.
I don't want a man. I mean, I'm so happy.
Okay, akube
Look, guys, I'm really so happy. You are Sanabatot.
ungibize mongidinga kuphela.
I'm not gonna need you.
Ifuthi wena le ndawo uyithanda.
You know I don't like that thing. Sound right? Guys, bye. We're closing.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Siram Ntombi Yaseqebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sikolo saka Jesu.
Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.
Ama friends ngadlala.